Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simply English channel. I'm Mia, your English teacher.
And I'm Alex, your learner and friend.
Today, we're going to learn how to greet people in English, how to say hello, how to ask how someone is, and how to introduce yourself.
Great, I'm ready to learn.
Awesome. Let's start with the most common greetings. When we meet someone, we usually say hello or hi.
Hello and hi were easy.
Yes, very easy. You can say hi to friends and hello to anyone, friends, teachers, or new people.
So hi is more friendly and hello is more general.
Exactly. Now let's practice together. Say hello.
Hello.
Great. Now say hi.
Hi.
Perfect. Now sometimes we meet someone in the morning, afternoon, or evening. We can say good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Oh, like when I see someone at 8 a.m., I say good morning.
Yes, and if it's 3 p.m., say good afternoon. And if it's 8 p.m., say good evening.
Got it. What about good night?
Good question. Good night is not for greeting. We say good night when we leave or go to sleep.
So good night is for goodbye.
Exactly. Now let's try together. When I say good morning, you answer good morning.
Good morning.
Great. Now good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Excellent. You're doing great. Now let's learn how to ask how are you? We can say how are you?
How are you?
And you can answer I'm fine, thank you, or I'm good, or I'm okay.
What about I'm great?
Perfect. I'm great is very positive. Let's practice. I ask, you answer. How are you?
I'm good.
Nice. Now you ask me.
How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
This is fun.
Yes, learning English can be fun and easy. Now let's learn introductions. When we meet someone, we can say, my name is Mia, or I'm Mia.
So both are correct?
Yes, you can say my name is Alex or I'm Alex.
Okay, let's practice. My name is Alex. I'm Alex.
Perfect. Now let's do a small conversation.
Hello, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
That was easy.
Exactly. And when we say nice to meet you, we can also say pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you. Got it.
Let's add one more phrase. How do you do? It's a formal way to greet someone, usually in business or formal settings.
So not for friends?
Right, not for friends. For example, hello, I'm Mia. How do you do? And the other person says, how do you do?
Okay, I understand.
Now let's practice a full greeting conversation. I'll be Mia and you'll be Alex. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Alex. What's your name?
My name is Mia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Great job. Now let's review what we learned today. We learned how to say hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. How to ask, how are you? How to introduce yourself. My name is, I'm. How to say, nice to meet you.
Yes, and I learned when to say good night too.
Exactly. Let's practice one last time with our listeners. If you're listening, repeat after us. Hello.
How are you?
What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Great job, everyone. Thank you for listening to Simply English channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode. Next time, we'll learn numbers in English. 1, 2, 3, and more.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.